guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I will have double unboxing. One is a G-Shock and one is a Seiko. So let me start with the G-Shock first. Okay, so this G-Shock Master of G unboxing. So those who know G-Shock will have know this is a frogman. So we are welcomed by a couple of documents on the right. Then with a styrofoam protection for the box. Okay, so it's very nice G-Shock Master of G. Then we are welcomed by the G-Shock. From what I understand, this is the base frogman model. Very interesting design. The watch is slightly shifted to the left so that and these frogmans, which are the divers, can freely move their wrist when they are diving. Okay, so you can see the watch, super cool, 200 meters of water resistance. It's a frogman logo at the side, screws to keep the straps in, and we have I think that's a robotic frog. Divers watch 200 meters frogman. Super cool design and construction for this watch. So this is a relatively big watch for myself, so just put it on my 6 and a 7.5 inch wrist, so to show you guys how it looks like. So this is a super chunky piece, super cool looking, super unique. Looks really different from the normal G-Shocks that usually we see, the 5600 series. Okay, so this is for the frogman. Okay, next on the line it's a Seiko watch, and this Seiko is very new, just released recently. Okay, this piece is the bigger Seiko chronograph, also in the Panda variation, a little bit different from the other Panda that we know. This is a bigger variant with red chronograph hands and also the red sub-dial hands. This is a solar powered. Very interesting fact that Seiko don't really do sign crowns anymore. Starting the chronograph for you guys to take a look. Takes away like automatic, but this is actually a solar quartz movement. So stop at the top, then reset is at the bottom. So once I stop, and I press a reset, it will sweep right back. Should show you guys again. Start, stop, and then reset. I'll just move it, satisfying slow, chronograph hand slowly getting back to place. So you have a date window at 4:30. Pretty cool watch. The Panda looks. Okay, bracelet, a little bit of jingling, push pins that you can adjust from the bottom all the way to the top, so you can fit any size that you want. Same on the other side. Clasps, relatively simple Seiko clasps. 2 micro adjustment. Case back, simple case back as well. Just close case back with a Seiko and Prospex logo. Okay, not screw down. Quite a nice piece to me visually. Okay, so you may wonder why there's this F and E here. basically it's to tell you the battery power. So if you're gonna use the chronograph, you can see that it just goes back to 60 because you start timing the chronograph, but when it goes back, it just reset. But if let's say you were out in the day, you want to check your battery power, you can just double tap at the bottom, which is the reset button. Just move to F. So now it's at full. F is full, E is empty, same as what you have on the cars. So this is one indicator. So if you, let's say you're a little bit OCD, you want it to move back, you can just press start, stop, and reset. So you just go back to the 16-minute marker right at the middle. Okay, so that's about it, guys, for today's video. Double unboxing G-Shock as well as the Seiko Panda. Hope you enjoyed this one. Now see you in the next one. Cheers.